met you, but
We
I have
picked
to
and chose the name Dion kasi may meaning din siya because Dion is a miracle boy for us.
'Cause lately I don't know what I'm trying to be, but when I see you in the mirror, this is what I see. You make your own
Backstory din, I had my surgery. Inalis yung yung left ovary ko. The chance of giving birth is much lower than the usual. And after our recovery, so we tried na to be pregnant.
With every breath that I'm breathing, I'm on the search.
And luckily, nabuo agad siya at first try. And yun, we're so grateful lang and to the Lord kasi binigay niya agad sa amin yung blessing na hinihingi namin as a family.
Sobrang grateful nga kasi nga smooth yung flow nung family namin from the wedding, then now up na kami, meron ng baby ganyan. So yun, very thankful na tuloy-tuloy yung blessings namin for that.
Welcome to Dion's first birthday! Yay!
I'm a little sunshine when the sun
Yung tatay ng Seto, yung daddy niya, mahilig sa sasakyan. Parang nakita ni Dion somewhere sa YouTube na nanonood yung dad niya ng mga anything related sa cars. Una inisip namin, ano ba yung gusto ng batang to talaga? Tapos yun, nakita namin, alam ko na, gets na.
Marami na kaming na-observe sa kanya na characteristics na very unique na minsan, same with us, yung mga mannerisms niya, ang daming improvements niya sa life and very good siya sa development.
Since day one yan, hindi siya nagkakasakit and ayun yung sobrang thankful din namin. Nakakatuwa lang na yung baby namin. Hindi lang halata sa yung pictures, pero sobrang masayahin yung baby. Lahat ng, pag nasa mood na siya, lahat ng tao kinakawayan niya. Dion, here's your mom. Alam kong hindi mo to totally maaalala kasi 1-year-old ka pa lang. But as your parent and sobra ka namin pinapahalagahan and alam mo kung gaano ka kahalaga sa amin. Isa ka talagang miracle boy sa amin kaya binibigay namin lahat for you.
Ayun. Hi, Dion. Sir Dad, Tatay. Ano naman gusto may tawag sa akin. So, ayun. I hope someday sa pag napanood mo ulit yung video, ayun, you'll be very thankful na ganito na masaya.
Siyempre, umiyak na yung tatay. Hindi na nakasalita. Wish namin, of course, good health and yun.
Lots of love.
Sana yun, lumaki ka ng mabuti and huwag ka sanang magbago and sana maging sweet na baby hanggang paglaki mo, yun.
Promise namin na we'll be always here for you. Kahit tanda na kami or something. We'll always love you.
Happy birthday, Dion! We love you!